DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music lab with another banger, you know, people. And you see what we are dealing today now, yo. Dan Mafia. Yeah, man, they were a crazy gang. You see from the title what we are dealing with, man. This one was actually requested by Hodari and How It Go. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to y'all, shout out to Hodari and How It Go. Big up to y'all, man. But yeah, I was also going to react to this guy. This one is actually pretty big. It's a surprise and a pretty big deal. You know what I'm saying? The one that we're reacting to none other than the two Bob them in a dancehall, two biggest Bob them in a dancehall. You see me? And they have a fitting title. We are talking about none other than Skippa and Najeeriii. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, the two of them link up, bro, which is a good look. You see me? And the song is entitled Like Bob. And yo, that's crazy, bro. I'm glad they link up because you don't know. Najeeriii always I say, yo, big grabber like Bob. You don't know, you know, Skippa always I say, yo, like Bob. You know what I'm saying? All as in Bob quotes him and things. So it's like I was like wondering, and I always ask like, who come out to the whole Bob talk? You know what I'm saying? Who came up with this Bob thing? We didn't get it from. A lot of people I say, yo, Skippa started first. A lot of people say Najeeriii started first, but it's clear and evident that both of them got that same slang there, same chat there. You see me? I say, yeah. So, but the two of them link up and then come up with a song called Like Bob, which I think is a fitting is a fitting title. You see me? So yeah, I'm expecting them to talk about a lot of chopping, full of style. You see me? Video shoot shot, be a fast car and them thing there. You know what I'm saying? Cause that's what they both like. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, this should be a legendary link up. You know what I'm saying? This should be an epic link up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cause them two artists are up and coming. Young have their own style and thing, and them bad. They got their own little buzz, bro. I like it all them style. So yeah, man, I'm glad them link up, bro. So I want to check it out and see what dog them I deal with. You see me? So we're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. We're gonna jump right now track, bro. This is a crazy link up, gang. And if you enjoy the video, please consider liking and subscribing, become part of the gang, man. We'll lead over here. Make sure you check out Discord, link is in the description, all that good shit. Yeah, man. We're not gonna hold up the vibes, so I'll jump right in the track. This is Najeeriii. You know, Skippa and Najeeriii. The one that name Like Bob. Let's get it. Hold on there. Why me I was do this with me audio, dog? You see me what I say? Yeah, I like the intro, dog. Say big grabber like Bob. Najeeriii making money in a lab. Hey, dog, got the beam of them out, you see me?
Dog, sit them calm of the night. That the badness and know for fight. My song I playing at the place, but my out of sight. No see no front, but my face, got my mother right. I wanna talk about Baba 2 prototype. Dog, my son reach at the point, me for reach them a copy man swag.
Oh, you mean my youth man say me and they calm in at the night, brother? You want to you see? You want music I play me out of sight. You see me I do my own thing, them a copy in style and thing. Easy, no? Alright, see your dog, them a deal.
So reach at the point, me for reach them a copy man swag, but I teach you a teach. Early morning, park up the expand beach, dirty money.
Copy man swag, but I teach you a teach. I want to them Dan Mafia, come on.
Why this is chopper never pay a lease? Little boy can't change, pop stuck in 9 ways. Papa bill know the killer up for couple days. As if me never hurt me, tie spend the rice case.
Can't change, Bob stuck in 9 ways. Oh yeah, come here, bro.
Clap and pursue when them at 9 days. A big rubber like Bob. Najeeriii got the Glock in I love. Got the couple line on off Lego man swag. And none of them rap like Bob.
Yo, easy no, Najeeriii. Me need you to kill your version here. See me I say, yeah man, yeah my copy man swag. Najeeriii have a Glock in I lab. I've told him, the man they link up gang. You see me? We never, hey. It happened sooner than I thought it would, man. But this is what I always wanted to see. You see me? I say, let's get it. Mommy happy because she have a child sad. Yeah, Jaja. You know one? My dog say.
No chatty I'm sang back. Money happy she got the child sad. Gas now me giant hot. Got it quite fast. Some pussy just a chat on them and copy my swag. Happy pussy drum and shot on them and slam me I'm bad. Big rubber like Bob.
Easy now. Then just a copy man swag. pussy them and chat, you know, easy no man. Come in no man, make hey. It's a good link though. To them I say, yo, man, I copy them, so I go to them off his team kind of stuff on the same track. It's like it's funny and crazy, you know what I'm saying? But
big rubber like Bob.
Yeah, big mission, I never know. Capping every song me record that I breaking on my pocket. Bang a phone off a charge, house need more socket. Them a talk about pop, tell a pussy all stop it. How much money me make out the game, me been a boss boy.
Tell them stop it, you see me? So yeah man, Najeeriii and Skippa have the Bob talk rock, you see me? So nobody can talk about as a Bob. You see me? Skippa and Najeeriii have a Bob talk like.
Skull before you know me name and now make no money so you go so up in vain. Them know boss can put chop in brain.
Man say nah make no money so then goes up in vain to blow. Yeah man, they go mix up in the family and nobody see him with that.
Make no money so you go so up in vain. Them know boss can put chop in brain. A little boy can't change, Bob stuck in high ways. Papa Bill know the killer up for couple days. And if me never hurt me tie spend the rice case. Glock a kick like Van Persie when they mat in 9 days.
Easy up. Glock a kick like Van Persie, brother. Tone on better. Behave with yourself, brother. You see me?
Skis Glock a kick like Van Persie when they mat in 9 days. A big rubber like Bob. Najeeriii got the Glock in hand. Tell them go take up a line on nothing Lego man swag. And none of how none rap like Bob.
Bet you never know when the Skippa start flip that. I bet you know say the kid a artist.
Bomba, see what I say, easy no man. You don't need to listen to Najeeriii, you know, your man say you never know when Skippa. You see me as scamming if you know say man authentic. Hey that bad. Yeah man, none of them are no big. You put your man say you go pick up a line, put on man swag. You see me, none of big rapper like Bob. When Skippa saying that he's talking Najeeriii and Najeeriii said that he talking was Skippa because I told him actually you know what I'm saying? Tell us Skippa and Najeeriii, they chopping. They doing their thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man. Yo, then Toyota. Star them, brother.
Bet you never know when the Skippa start flip that. I bet you know say the kid a artist. She have her kids and still a stock seed. From the famous start, if a bitch a lick a large dick. Big killer been a charge.
She have her kids and still a stock seed. She have her kids and still a stock. She have her kids and still a stock seed. Just know say from Bima Park, girl as such. Man. Hey, easy no man. Hey, Najeeriii easy no brother.
Start if a bitch a lick a large dick.
He must start drift,
quick start press it a plug. Some flipper and spill. He blick a van switch. Send a leaf a slug and me we kill a fraud quick.
Easy no man. Yeah man. Only pass up. Kill a fraud quick. Man say no fraud thing round here. No cap over here so brother. Kill a fraud quick brother.
Mommy happy and she got the child sad. That's damage and hot that they quite frat some pussy just a chat and them a copy my swag. Fully drum a shot and them a slam in I'm pot. Hey Skippa them. Yeah.
See them a chat and just a copy man swag. Fully drum a shot and then a slam in I'm bag. Pumpa. Easy no man. Reba. Oh. I got that. Yeah man. Easy no. Yeah man, the young G, they want do it, man. The young guy, they want do it out here, man. Shout out to Skippa and Najeeriii, bro. That one the name like Bob. Yeah, I enjoyed that reaction, man. You see me, and I enjoyed that link up. I enjoyed that collab. Yeah, I'm glad to see it, man. You see me, I'm saying that, man. Let me know how you think about that one, bro. You know, fam. Let me know what y'all think about that one, guys. That was good to see, man. I'm glad the link up. It happened quite quicker than I expected, but I'm liking you dancer, bro. Bro. From me, I know my channel. I've been preaching more collaboration and more link up between artists, and that's exactly what I'm going, and that's exactly what's pushing the culture forward. So we need more of that, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, no joke, bro. You see me? I enjoy that one. Shout out to Skippa and Najeeriii. You see me? Yeah, man, we need more of that coming. You know, we need more collaborations. We're looking out for more. You see me? Like I said, we just reacted to Big Thief yesterday from Najeeriii. That was a dope track, you know what I'm saying? That's like a movie. You see that doing his thing on that one. And before that, we reacted to Skippa. It wasn't all along. What did we react to from Skippa recently? Reacted to Najeeriii, Big Thief, and we reacted to Skippa all along. No, we did something after all along for Skippa, man. Just the other day too. I don't remember that shit. Come on, gang. Yeah, man, I just reacted to Skippa the other day. What was that shit? Yeah, Dopey Passport. Dopey Passport was crazy. mad dope, no cap. Yeah, that was on Skippa was on demon time in that one, you know what I'm saying? So if you haven't checked out my reactions to those videos, make sure you go check out the gang. There's a link, it's on the channel. You know what I mean? Go check out the reactions to those, and also go show the artist some love and support. Make sure you drop in the comment section what you want me to react to next. If you like, you go show the artist some love and support. Make sure show the artist some love and support. Let them know that Jambisco dancing in your gang. You know what I'm saying? And drop in the comments. Let me know what you're reacting next. Make sure you join the Discord. Link is in the description. Become part of the family. Lit over there. You can message me directly and send me videos. You know what I'm saying, gang? But yeah, man. Me enjoy the one, gang. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let's continue this discussion. Going live soon. All that good stuff. Yeah. You don't know. It's a boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And